we're going to learn how to plot bar plots in Tableau. It's going to be a short and simple video, so stick with me till the end.
Okay.
And let's get into it.
That's what she said.
Okay, so I've opened Tableau public. I'll also put the link in the description, okay? So you can follow along if you want to. So first of all, I click on my profile. From here, I'll create a visualization. Okay, it has opened up. Now from here, I'll upload the CSV file. This one is the CSV file which I'm going to use. Okay, now that I've imported the CSV file, I'll just click this one, update. And from here, I create this one, okay, create extract. Okay, now the extraction is complete. Just click on this sheet. Okay, now this is basically a healthcare employee attrition dashboard which we're going to make. But for this video, we're just going to make a bar plot, a simple bar plot, okay? First of all, let's select a variable. Okay, I'm going to select a numerical variable and one character, one string variable. So from here, I'll select monthly income. Yeah. In the rows, monthly income will be in rows, and department will be along columns. Okay, there are 3 departments. So this is sum of monthly income, but what do I need? I need average. So I'll select average. Now, the main variable for analysis is attrition. So I'll drag it onto the color. And here we go. You see? So when attrition is no, which basically means that the employee is not leaving the company voluntarily, he or she is not getting retired, or he's not trying to leave the company and go into another company, whatever the reason is, okay? And yes means that they are actually leaving the company voluntarily. If I want to further divide it a little bit and make the plot a bit better, so I can move the gender variable to the columns. So you can see what's going to happen. You see, here now it's divided based on gender and department. Male, female, cardiology, maternity, and neurology. So if you want to do it, you can also name this sheet. I'll name it bar plot, middle. Okay. So if you want to, you can also create a filter from here. You can just drag the education fields to the filter tab. And from here, you can select all, okay, and right click, and then click this one, show filter. Here you will have filtered, okay, if you want human resources, click human resources, okay, only human resources education field will be selected for this particular one. Then if you want both human resources and marketing, you can click both of them. If you want all of them, you can click this. Okay, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn the bell notifications on. There are a lot of more fun videos to come. Bye bye for now. See you guys.